Hey there, and welcome to our channel. If you're a gaming enthusiast or just diving into the thrilling world of flight simulators, you're in for a treat. Today I'm going to show you the top 5 best Xbox flight simulator controls on the market. Whether you're aiming for the most realistic experience or the best value for your money, we've got you covered with top-notch options that will elevate your gameplay to new heights. From intuitive designs to precision controls, these picks are sure to enhance your virtual flying adventures. So, buckle up and get ready for an exciting ride. And remember, for more details and to check out these controls, so check the link in the description below. Number 5. Logitech GPR Flight Yol system brings professional-grade control to your flight simulation experience, making it an ideal choice for the best Xbox flight simulator controls. This system comes equipped with a stainless steel yoke shaft that ensures robust and smooth control, allowing for precise and realistic handling of virtual aircraft. The high-quality construction makes the yoke durable and responsive, giving both aspiring pilots and seasoned veterans a chance to practice their skills and enhance muscle memory. The yoke features a realistic POV hat, 14 button controls, and a 3-position mode switch that offers an impressive 54 programmable controls. These controls give you command over most aircraft functions, so your hands stay on the yoke while you manage essential in-flight tasks. The included flight throttle quadrant complements the yoke by providing smooth throttle, pitch, and mixture controls, ensuring a fully immersive flight experience. This quadrant connects via a 4.92 feet, 1.5 meters PS/2 connector cable, and the entire setup is designed with desk clamps that offer flexibility and security. The dual-position clamps make it easy to mount the yoke and throttle system to various desk configurations, giving you peace of mind during intense flight sessions. The included 5.9 feet, 1.8 meters USB connector cable makes connectivity simple and hassle-free, especially when working with PC-based simulators. The Logitech GPR Flight Yol system also offers customizable knobs, enabling you to configure the controls to your personal preferences, creating an authentic and tailored simulation experience. Whether you're flying a light aircraft or a commercial jet, the precise controls, sleek design, and versatility of this yoke system make it one of the most reliable tools for serious flight enthusiasts and gamers alike. Number 4. Turtle Beach brings innovation to new heights with the VelocityOne Flight Deck Universal HOTAS simulation system, perfect for air and space combat enthusiasts and PC gamers. The standout feature of this system is the world's first flight touch display, which offers unparalleled control and customization with a sleek, user-friendly interface. The customizable OLED head-up display ensures that crucial flight data is always visible and tailored to your needs. Precision is guaranteed with contactless Hall effect controls, designed for long-lasting durability and smooth, accurate input. The stick module is packed with functionality, featuring a gear lever, a 3-position rotary dial, and an impressive 39 buttons for in-depth control. With a total of 139 programmable buttons, users can fully personalize their gaming experience, making this system incredibly adaptable to any simulation scenario. Adjustability is a key advantage, with an adjustable stick height to cater to all hand sizes, and a customizable haptic throttle detent response, ensuring that the system is comfortable and intuitive for every user. The onboard audio enhancements are a game-changer, enabling seamless audio quality for any 3.5mm connected headset, ensuring crystal-clear communication during intense simulations. Multi-zone RGB lighting adds an extra layer of customization, allowing players to set the mood with vibrant, responsive lights that match their gameplay. Turtle Beach's dedicated flight hangar desktop app makes it easier than ever to fine-tune every aspect of the VelocityOne system, ensuring users can create the perfect setup for their simulation needs. Designed for Windows 10 and 11 PCs, this system offers unmatched compatibility and ease of use. From customizable lighting to advanced controls, this HOTAS system is a game-changer for those seeking the best Xbox flight simulator controls. Number 3. Honeycomb Aeronautical XPC Alpha Yoke and Switch Panel is the ultimate solution for flight simulation enthusiasts and student pilots seeking an immersive and realistic experience on Xbox and PC. Engineered with aviation-grade precision, this yoke system offers a full 180 degrees yoke rotation, providing a remarkably authentic control feel. The solid steel shaft, coupled with dual linear ball bearings, ensures ultra-smooth and precise movements, enhancing your control over every flight maneuver. The dampened, self-centering mechanism eliminates the frustrating center detent and minimizes any dead zones, giving you an unparalleled sense of control and realism. The base of the yoke includes an integrated switch panel, complete with essential flight controls such as master, alternator, avionics, and light switches, along with a 5-position ignition switch. This comprehensive setup is designed to mimic the functionality of a real aircraft, making it an ideal training tool for aspiring pilots. The left and right handles are loaded with intuitive controls, featuring an 8-way hat switch, 2 vertical and 2 horizontal 2-way rocker switches, 3 buttons, and a push-to-talk button. These controls are thoughtfully placed to allow you to manage various in-flight operations without ever taking your hands off the yoke. For added versatility, the yoke comes with a dual mounting solution, which includes 2 heavy-duty steel clamps for secure attachment to any tabletop. Additionally, a large 3M microsuction pad offers a clamp-free mounting option for thicker surfaces, providing 40 pounds of tensile strength for a rock-solid setup. Developed in California by pilots and aerospace engineers, the Honeycomb Aeronautical XPC Alpha yoke and switch panel is a testament to superior craftsmanship and innovation, ensuring that every flight sim session is as close to real flying as possible. This yoke is not just an accessory, it's a complete home cockpit control system designed to meet the rigorous demands of flight students and seasoned simmers alike, making it one of the best Xbox flight simulator controls available. Number 2. Thrustmaster T-Flight Full Kit offers an exceptional flight simulation experience with its advanced and thoughtfully designed features, making it an excellent choice for Xbox Series X/S, Xbox One, and PC users. This kit includes a robust set of controls that significantly enhance gaming realism and precision. The HOTAS, hands-on throttle and stick, controls are meticulously engineered for high precision, providing an authentic flying experience across various types of flight simulations, from futuristic space adventures to classic air combat and commercial aviation. One standout feature is the inclusion of official Xbox console buttons, guide, view, and menu, which facilitates seamless navigation through the console's menus, access to social features, and quick game switching, making it easier to integrate with the Xbox ecosystem. The rudder pedals are a notable highlight, featuring the innovative Thrustmaster SMART, Sliding Motion Advanced Rail Tracks, system. This design ensures ultra-smooth and accurate steering, enhancing the realism of the flight experience. The ergonomically designed pedals are equipped with removable heel rests, allowing for a more comfortable and stable placement of the entire foot, which is crucial for long gaming sessions. The large detachable throttle is another impressive aspect, offering 5 axes, 14 buttons, a rapid-fire trigger, and a multi-directional hat switch. This combination ensures that all essential controls are readily accessible, providing precise navigation and control over panoramic views. The kit's extensive button configuration and robust build quality ensure durability and responsiveness, critical for both casual gaming and intensive flight simulation. Whether you are piloting a spacecraft or maneuvering a fighter jet, the Thrustmaster T-Flight Full Kit delivers superior performance and control, making it a premier choice for enthusiasts seeking the best Xbox flight simulator controls. Number 1. Turtle Beach VelocityOne Flight Universal Control System stands out as a top choice for anyone seeking the best Xbox flight simulator controls. This advanced all-in-one system integrates a comprehensive set of features to enhance your flight simulation experience. It boasts a 180 degrees yoke handle rotation with a non-contact Hall effect sensor, providing smooth and precise control that mimics real-world aircraft handling. The modular throttle quadrant is a highlight, featuring customizable lever handles and buttons that can be tailored to your preferences, making it adaptable for various flight scenarios. The system also includes integrated rudder and brake controls, placed conveniently within reach to facilitate seamless maneuvering. The full-color flight management display is designed to help you quickly learn and configure the system, offering a user-friendly interface that simplifies setup and operation. Additionally, the authentic status indicator panel for PC delivers real-time status updates, ensuring that you stay informed about your flight system's performance. With 12 analog axes, 2 POV switches, and 2 4-way hat switches, the VelocityOne Flight provides extensive control options, allowing you to manage all aspects of your virtual aircraft with precision. The dedicated pitch trim wheel is engineered for fine adjustments to the aircraft's control surfaces, enhancing your ability to maintain stable and accurate flight. The secure clamping system is versatile enough to fit a variety of home setups, ensuring that the control system remains firmly in place during intense flying sessions. Overall, the Turtle Beach VelocityOne Flight Universal Control System is designed to offer an immersive and customizable flight simulation experience, making it a premier choice for Xbox and PC users seeking top-notch flight controls. In conclusion, finding the best flight simulator controls for your Xbox can significantly elevate your gaming experience, bringing you closer to the thrill of flying with realistic, responsive controls. Whether you're looking for precision, durability, or full immersion, there are excellent options out there that cater to every level of flight enthusiast. Hopefully, this video helped guide you in choosing the perfect setup for your needs. If you found this video helpful, we'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and share for more update videos.